In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable or turn off filter keys on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to select where it says accessibility. And then on the right side, scroll down underneath interaction, and you want to select where it says keyboard. Versus filter keys, just click inside the oval one time to toggle to the off position as you see on my screen, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope those will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.